Hello everyone. I am Munit Ansari along with Mr. Sagar Shinde from Global Fusion Practice Team. So welcome to this session where we will walk you through one of the most exciting new features of Oracle Fusion 25C update, the AI Agent Studio. Today we will explore how AI agents can help automate tasks, enhance user experience, and increase the productivity across your Fusion applications. Oracle has introduced these AI Agent Studio as a part of its cloud innovation framework to help organization build intelligent assistant that work inside Fusion application, whether it's finance, supply chain management, human capital management, or procurement. By the end of this video, you will know what an AI Agent Studio is, where to find it, and a live demo of a practical use case. But before that, what is an AI Agent Studio? So, an AI Agent Studio is a low code platform introduced by Oracle to help businesses create interactive agent or AI assistant without needing any coding. These agents can even perform actions like retrieving data, opening dashboards, or completing transactional tasks. It integrates seamlessly with Oracle Fusion metadata, their security roles, and the business objects. Think of it as your personal AI employee, always ready to help users with tasks like getting GL balances, details for purchase requisition, fetching item details, guiding user workflows, and many more. And as you can see, we have different seeded templates of AI Agent Studio among various modules. A super user will have the access of creating these AI agents, whereas an end user will only be able to use these agents. We can filter it out over here and see that there are various modules available and templates related to these modules. So for today's demo, we will demonstrate a simple AI agent for a real world use case. That is to get the status of a purchase requisition. And this may be a common real world scenario where users repeatedly need to know what's the current status of the requisition X. And instead of navigating through multiple screens, our AI agent will answer it in seconds. So let us jump to the demonstration. So we have logged into this user and now we will be navigating to the AI Agent Studio. So let us start with asking some purchase requisition related queries with this agent, the purchase requisition status advisor. So here we are asking a very basic question to the agent, that what is the status of our requisition number 9. And as you can see, it has answer to our query. Let us ask some different question now. And as we can see, it has accurately mentioned the details related to requisition number 9 and also requisition number 10. So this is one of the glimpse of all of the activities that an AI agent can do. And in addition to all these capabilities, AI agent can also do many more functions like triggering reports, checking approvals, or even guiding a user through a process. And these agents also respect Oracle Fusion's security model, which means users only see the data which they are authorized to see. So, in conclusion, Oracle Fusion's AI Agent Studio lets you to build a low-code AI assistant, connects them with Fusion, business objects, automate tasks for finance, SCM, HCM, and many more, and improve the overall efficiency and accuracy of user. We hope this video helps you to get started with building your own AI agents. Thank you for watching.